Automoto, baby. Seen you for a long time. The 916 bike represents for me my past, my history. I had so much success with this bike, it's probably the most iconic and greatest superbike ever built. So yeah, it's a special bike indeed. I think the 916 represents for people around the world. It's just again the most iconic bike, probably the most famous bike you will ever associate with superbike, and a bike that's has so much success, but even now, when you look at it, it still looks like a new model. It's incredible, really. I think, you know, for me and for the history of Ducati and Carl Fogarty in World Superbike, I wasn't aware of anything was being made or created back then. I just wanted to win races, and so did Ducati, I guess. But I guess it's only now, when you look back, that you know, the two names are so iconic to the sport that I guess it really means something. I'm very proud of that. I think when I think about the bike, you ask me, you know, when I speak about the bike, I think about the bike, then it makes me smile, I guess, is when I crossed the line in Phillip Island in 1994, in the bike's first year. And won the World Championship, so that for me is, I guess, the moment I think of the most. Yeah, when I first saw the Panigale V4 25th anniversary 916, I was blown away. It looks great. It looks obviously brand new, but it reminds me of the past. With the number one, the foggy logos, the colours, like the colour of the wheels is the same as what I rode back in the day, but this bike has a lot more special parts on it from the standard V4, so I can't wait to get out and try it myself, really. It's a great bike, beautiful.